In this tutorial, we are going to go through the addition of 4-digit numbers. We are going to use the vertical format. The same method we used when we added 2-digit numbers and 3-digit numbers. If you've gone through those tutorials, this is the next step forward. So let's work through the first example. What is 4,367 plus 3,438? Now, I like to put the commas in because they separate the thousands from the hundreds and it makes it easier to read. You don't have to, but it is good practice to put them in. So the first stage in answering this question using the vertical format is to write the numbers down in columns. So let's do that. 4,367 plus 3,438. Now we can put a little commas in here as well. Nice big sign here. Right. We can label these columns. In fact, let's do that. First one is the units. The next one is the tens. The next one is the hundreds. And the last one is the thousands, where we write down the TH. Now, do you remember what we do next? That's right. We add each of the columns one by one, starting with the column on the right hand side first. So let's do that. What is 7 plus 8? 7 plus 8. Now you should know how to write this as well. 7 plus 8 is 15. How do we write this? We put 1 here and 5 here. 15. The 1 is now part of the tens column. We now add the tens. We have 6 plus 3 plus the 1. 6 plus 3 is 9 plus 1 is 10. We put the 1 here and the 0 here. We now add the hundreds column. We have 3 plus 4 plus the 1. But 3 plus 4 is 7. Plus 1 is 8. We can put a little comma just to match all the others. And finally, we add the thousands column. 4 plus 3. It's a nice easy one. 7. And we have our answer. Let's just write that down in blue. 4,367 plus 3,438 is 7,000, little comma, 805. That was nice and easy, wasn't it? As I have said in previous tutorials, do not get frightened by the large numbers. When you're writing them down in the vertical format, it looks a lot simpler, and it actually is. Now let's work through another example. What is 5,000, little comma, 674 plus 8,000, little comma, 457? Now they're quite large digits in each of the numbers. Let's write these down using the vertical format. Got 5,674 plus 8,457. Let's label the columns. We've got units, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Let's put a little comma here as well. Right, the next phase is we add the columns, starting with the column on the right hand side. So here we go. 4 plus 7. What is 4 plus 7? It is 11. Put a 1 down here and 1 here. The tens column. 7 plus 5 plus 1. Well, 7 plus 5 is 12, plus 1 is 13. Put 1 here, 3 here. Now we add the hundreds column. 6 plus 4 plus 1. Well, 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 1 is 11. I'll put a little comma here. Finally, we add the thousands column. We have 5 plus 8 plus 1. Well, 5 plus 8 is 13, plus 1 is 14. And finally, we add the last column. There's nothing there, nothing there, there is 1 here. And we have our answer. Now, this last column that we just added here, that one is the 10,000s. Now we can either put down TT or you can put down TTH for 10,000s. Let's write our answer down in blue so that we've answered the question. 5,674 plus 8,457 is 14,131. It is as simple as that. The addition of 4-digit numbers, the same principle applies whether you are adding 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers, 4-digit numbers, 5 or even 6-digit numbers. You have to write them down in vertical columns to make sure that you can add each of the columns one by one. And that's it. Addition of 4-digit numbers.